Hello again. I'm Jim Epley, President of JD's Tax and Financial Solutions. I want to help you get prepared for the upcoming tax filing season. Now, the year is not quite over yet, so you're not going to have your regular documents to file, your W-2s, your 1099s, your 1098s, your interest statements. Many of those documents won't reach you until mid to late January. What I want to help you out with is gathering everything and getting it ready so when the tax filing season does come, you're not scrambling for anything. Now, this tip works for now. You should be doing this throughout the year, especially if you're a business owner. If you're a business owner, you should have what's called books and records. The books are where you record your income and record your expenses. The records are the actual receipts. The expense receipts for your automobile, for your rent, for your electricity, also your income receipts, your invoices to your clients. These are your actual records. The books are the recording of those records. So if you have these things in order, whether you use QuickBooks, some other type of accounting software, or you do it in the old-fashioned way of writing it down in a ledger, any way works, but you should have these things recorded in your books. Here's a nice set of books. This right here is a profit and loss, so it shows you the income at the top. It also shows you the expenses going down, and the net profit will be at the bottom. That's something that will come in real handy when you come to your tax preparer. It'll be the most efficient way to get your tax return done. It'll be the most accurate way to get your tax return done, because everything's already been recorded. Whether you recorded it or your bookkeeper recorded it, this is the proper way to have your books handled on a day-to-day or month-to-month basis. Even if you have to do it at year-end, this is definitely the way to do it. We have other taxpayers that come to us and they bring us something like this. This is what's called the shoebox or the box of records. In here you'll see receipts such as invoices, you'll see expense receipts, you'll see all kinds of different things, some of which may apply to the tax return or may not apply to the tax return. When it boils down to it, if you bring your box like this to your tax preparer, it's going to take more work, more effort, you'll likely be charged more to get this stuff in order. But the worst thing that can happen to you is if it's in a mess like this, you probably don't have everything, probably something's going to end up missing, you're not going to get all the deductions that you're entitled to. And again, that's our job here at JD's Tax and Financial, is to ensure that you have the proper tax return filed accurately. You're allowed deductions, you're allowed many deductions, and we're here to make sure you get all those deductions. So get your records together. We can help you get them together now. Your profit and loss statement shows your income and shows your expense. Now's the time to do it before the end of the year. Let's get this together so when tax filing season comes, which is less than a month away, you're ready to go. Plus, an added benefit is you will know how much money you made, which is at the top of the profit and loss. You'll also know how much money you made after all your expenses. That's called your net income. Again, Jim Epley, JD's Tax and Financial Solutions. Give me a call if you have any questions. Thank you so much.